Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, today we are going to learn block 17, India's neighbors. Okay, so today we are going to locate the neighboring countries of India on a map. Okay, this is our lesson objective. Write down in your notebook, block 17, India's neighbors. So let me take your attendance. Arlina?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Levito?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. So finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Arlina, finish?
Yes. Okay.
So this is the block 17 LP1, our neighboring countries. Write down our neighboring countries. Yeah. Alina, can you read the aim?
To learn about neighboring countries of India.
Yes, this is our aim, to learn about neighboring countries of India. Evito, what can you read? What are the keywords?
Yes, ma'am. Neighbors. Tirai.
Tirai. Yeah, Tirai means it's a wetland, okay, or it's a area of wet muddy ground. That is called Terai, okay.
Tirai or Tirai?
Tirai. And what is neighbors, Arlina?
People or places that are next to us.
Yes, the people or a place that's near to us or next to us, they are called neighbors. Is finished, Levito?
Yes, ma'am. I have finished.
Okay. Arlina?
Completed.
Okay. So, Levito, what do we call people who have a common wall or boundary with our house? You can look at this picture. So, what we call them who share the boundary with our house?
Ma'am, that fence, ma'am. Neighbor.
Yes, correct. Alina?
Neighbor.
Yes, the people who share a boundary with our house, we call them as our neighbors, right? They are near to us or next to us. They are called uh, neighbors. So today we are going to learn about India's neighboring countries. Okay, so which country is near to the India or share a boundary? Which country share the boundary with India? Okay, they are called neighboring countries. So look at this map and write the names of the neighboring countries of India. Okay. Take your note. Look at this map. Can you see which are the neighboring countries of India?
Yes, ma'am. Can I write?
Yes, you can write down.
Ma'am, Bhutan. Bhutan.
Yeah, PHU. Yeah, Bhutan.
Ma'am, Pakistan is enemy country, no?
Yes.
I think first they were with India, but they decided to cut.
Yes. 1947 they separated from India. Okay.
1947.
Yes, when India got independence, that time Pakistan is separated from India, so it becomes a neighboring countries of India. Okay, so this is the India's boundary. So which country starts the boundary of India? They are known as India's neighboring countries. Okay.
Mom, even China.
Yes, here China, this side is touching, right?
But what is written there, we should write.
Yes, and there is also, yeah, it's given in the data classes like Maldives and Afghanistan. Also, this part is touching the Afghanistan's boundary. Okay, here I will show
This
you
is
the
Indian
video.
map, right?
Yeah, this is Indian map.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, Alina.
No, I have not completed.
Okay. So can you tell me, Levito, which are the India's neighboring countries?
The neighboring countries of India are India, Bhutan, Bangladesh,
Myanmar. Okay.
Myanmar, China, Nepal,
Nepal, yeah, Pakistan,
Ma'am,
and
Sri Lanka also.
Sri Lanka
I know
also.
my right.
Yeah, Sri Lanka also India's neighboring country. Okay.
But I have written what is written here.
Sri Lanka. You can write down Sri Lanka, Pakistan also. So these are 7 neighboring countries. Okay.
Ma'am, Afghanistan will come.
Yeah, Afghanistan and Maldives also they include as in India's neighboring countries because
Spelling of Maldives.
Maldivs
MAL DI
Ves
Afghanistan.
AF
VF
GH
GH
A
A
NI
NI
S
S
TAN.
TAN.
Yeah. Okay, finish, Levito.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, yes, this is 7, mostly 7 neighboring countries of India. Okay, these are Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, China, Sri Lanka. Have you written all this in your note?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Levito.
Ma'am, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah,
8,
this
9.
that also you can include Maldives and Afghanistan also. Okay. So look at the map of Asia and locate India's neighbors. Do question number 2 of S1. Okay, open your worksheet S1 and you are going to locate the India's neighbors in the worksheet. Okay. So look at this. Yeah, this is the map of India. So you can locate.
Where's Maldives?
Maldives is not showing here. It will be down the
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay, that is Maldives is the island. Okay, so it is also near to the India. That's why it's considered as India's neighboring country. See, Afghanistan is here. So this Afghanistan border also touch in the top of India. Yeah, so it is considered as India's neighboring country. So yeah, look at the where they are located. You have to locate in your worksheet.
Ma'am, it also given write their capitals. I don't know their capitals. Ma'am, ma'am, second one.
Yeah, just locate what I asked. Now is only locate the, you don't need to write the capital. Okay, afterwards I will teach you what is the capital of this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I know to locate.
You already finished locate?
No, ma'am, locating.
Okay. Look at this map and you can locate in your worksheet only the neighboring countries. Okay. Afterwards, we are going to learn
Ma'am, this is
what are the
only-
capital of.
Bhutan is very small.
Yes, smallest, yeah, neighboring countries, Bhutan. Okay.
Ma'am, where is China, ma'am?
China is here.
Okay. There only is there, right?
Down the, yeah, China, Tibet also there.
Ma'am, China is very big, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Bangladesh is very big to write in that small place.
You can point, yeah, mark arrow and can write on down. Yeah. You should serve your pencil. You have sharpener, right? You can serve and write neatly.
Myanmar, right?
Yes.
Myanmar. Myanmar or Myanmar?
Myanmar.
Ma'am, one more doubt, ma'am. Where is Sri Lanka?
Here is the Sri Lanka.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Which doubt? This.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Ma'am, only Maldives I didn't mark.
Okay, I will show you where is Maldives.
Other everything I have. Ma'am,
Yeah,
this
Maldives is here down of this. Okay, but
That is island. This one.
no, this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So
Ma'am,
down.
Maldives is an island only. No?
Yes, Maldives
But
also
this
island.
is also India, right?
This is not neighboring country. This is in
India.
India. Yes,
So that's
Lakshadweep
why-
and Andaman Nicobar is a island of India. Okay.
That is not a country now.
Yes.
Not.
Sri Lanka is another country.
No, ma'am,
Not,
this is very near, but Andaman and Nicobar, however it's far, it becomes in India.
it's yeah, because still they consider as they are under the India country. Okay, they don't want to separate from India country.
But they are very far.
Yeah, little bit. Yeah, it's far. It's
In this, it's a little only far, but if we go really, it's very far.
yes.
Ma'am, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, one
Down.
tribes is there. They will eat. There's no place. I don't know. It's even Maldives.
I show you
Yes,
here.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands tribes.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Ma'am, where is Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka.
here is Sri Lanka. Have you seen? There is a small there is a Park Strait that separates India and
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Sri Lanka. Finish location.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready to finish?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have located in your worksheet, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
So now we are going to read our neighboring countries from the exit content book, page number 108. Okay, open your content book. Now we are going to read what is our neighboring countries and their capital and currency also, and the physical features, what type of landforms they have. Okay.
108 only, right?
Yes, 108.
Okay, I have to.
Okay.
Ma'am, I took.
Okay, Levito, read our neighboring countries.
Our neighboring countries. India is located in South Asia. India has several neighbors.
Neighbor.
The table below gives information about the physical features, capital, and currency of India's neighboring countries.
Yes. So First, yeah, Pakistan, China, Nepal. You can read Levito. Okay, name of the country and what is their
Pakistan,
physical
China,
feature?
Nepal.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like that you can give no, ma'am. I will read Pakistan and China. Arlene will read Nepal and Bhutan.
Okay. Again, there is one.
Three more.
Three more is there. Okay. Okay. We
So
can.
you gave. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then three more you can.
Okay.
Okay. Pakistan, a river Indus and 5 rivers that flow into it. Fertile plants farmed
Fertile
by
plain. Yeah.
fertile plains
Form
formed by these rivers. Mountains in the north and desert in the east. Capital city Islamabad. Currency Pakistani rupee.
okay.
China. Several major rivers like the Yangtze, fertile,
Fertile
fertile
plains.
plants formed by these rivers. The Tibetan Plateau and the Gobi Desert.
Yeah, Tibetan Plateau and the Gobi deserts are found. Yeah, Gobi
I have
desert. Yeah.
written
It's in,
capital city Beijing. Uh,
and currency is
Renmi, Renmi,
renminbi. Okay.
Nepal, Himalayas, deep valleys, many mountains, rivers, and
There
terrain in the south.
okay.
Capital city, Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Okay, the capital city.
Nepalese rupee.
Okay. Next, Arlena, you can read about Bhutan.
Bhutan, mostly mountainous, the Terai region in the south. Capital city is Thimphu.
Timpu.
Thimphu. And currency is
Gultram.
Naguldam.
Yeah, Gultram. Nagpurtram. So yeah, these are the physical features of Pakistan. This Indus River is flowing, and other rivers that flow into this Pakistan. Yeah, and it is fertile because the rivers are flowing. The land is very fertile. Okay, and there is mountains in the north, and there is also desert in the east. And what is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad.
Yes. And currency, name of the currency?
Pakistani currency.
Pakistani rupee, like Indian rupee, so they also use rupee. Okay. Next, China physical features is landform is like,
Fertile.
yeah, in China also there is a rivers name like Yangtze River, and this also a fertile plains. Okay.
I
And
know
then,
the Yangtze River.
yeah.
There is plateau and desert also.
Yes, there is also plateau and desert also in China. Okay. And Nepal is the Himalayas, the valleys. So it is near to the Himalayas. Okay, this Nepal. And many mountains, rivers, and Terai region in the south. In the south, Terai region means wetland. There is a wetland like muddy ground also found in Nepal. Okay, the capital is, what is the capital city of Nepal? Levito?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Okay.
Kathmandu.
Yes.
Kathmandu.
What is the currency, Alina?
Nepalese rupee.
Yeah, Nepalese rupee. So Bhutan is, yeah, mostly mountainous. Okay, and in Bhutan also there is a wet land. Okay, it's like muddy. Terai region in the south. In the south of the Bhutan there is a wetland. And yeah, what is the capital of Bhutan?
Thimphu.
Yeah, Thimphu. Okay, and currency is Gultram. Gultram. Okay. Next, yeah, Arlena, can you continue read about Myanmar physical features?
Myanmar physical features. Mountains, hills, and rivers originating from here. Coastal regions and lakes.
Deltas.
Capital city is
Pido. Okay, Naypyidaw.
Naypyidaw.
Or Naypyidaw.
Very hard to pronounce.
Yes.
Currency is Kyat.
Kyat. Yeah. Then
Bangladesh. A physical features is huge fertile land formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra river, a huge delta and coastal line.
Okay, there is also coastline. It's near to the Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh. Okay, and the capital is
Dhaka.
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 Yeah, and the currency also same as
Dhaka.
Yeah, Dhaka. Okay.
DH we should take and put T.
Yes. Next, yeah, Sri Lanka. What is the physical features, landforms of Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka. Physical features. A tropical island with rich vegetation, many beaches and hilly areas in the southwestern part of the country.
Okay, what is the capital of Sri Lanka?
Colombo.
Colombo.
And currency is Sri Lanka rupee.
Okay. So yeah, these are the 7 main neighboring countries. Okay, these are Sri Lanka. These physical features of Sri Lanka is it's a tropical, it's an island, and it has many vegetation, means like a forest area, and there is many beaches as it is an island, and there is also hilly areas in the southern part of the Sri Lanka country. Okay, the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo, and the currency is Sri Lankan rupee. So what are the different neighbors of India you mark on the map? Alina? Different neighbors?
Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives.
Okay, these are the, yeah, you have marked 9 neighboring countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, China, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, and also Maldives. Okay. Next, Levito. Why did you mark these countries as neighbors of India?
Because it is sharing boundary.
Because it shared the boundaries with India.
And it's
Okay.
very near to India.
Okay. Oh, yeah. These countries are near to India or next to India, right? That's why they are known as neighboring countries of India. Okay. Next, yeah, Fahim. Even though Sri Lanka does not share a land boundary with India, why Sri Lanka is considered to be India's neighbor?
Because the India is here in upper then Sri Lanka is so closer.
Yes. Yeah.
Because Sri Lanka actually, if you look at closer, some borders, just a little place difference. Otherwise, it would have that.
Yes.
It is in Andaman and Nicobar.
No, it is not in
Andaman and
Andaman
Nicobar Islands
Yeah.
is a little far.
Yes, Sri Lanka does not share the land boundary, but it is near to the or close to the India's country. Okay, it has narrow strip of water, that is a Park Strait. Yeah, so yeah, this is mostly near to India, so it is considered as India's neighboring country. Okay. Next, yeah, Levito, what are some physical features of the different neighbors of India? You can say any neighboring countries of India and what is their physical features.
China. Several major rivers like Yangtze, fertile plants formed by these rivers, the Tibetan Plateau and the Gobi Desert.
Okay, so yeah, Arlina, can you share some neighbor countries of India and the physical features?
Yes. Nepal, the Himalayas, deep valleys, many mountain rivers, and Teraya region in south. Can I say one more?
Yes.
Sri Lanka, a tropical island with rich vegetation, many beaches, and hilly areas in the southwestern part of the country.
Okay, yeah, China, Nepal, and Bhutan, they have a mountainous terrain. Okay, they have a mountainous region and also have a terai region in the south. Like terai means muddy or wetland. Okay. Then China and Bangladesh, they have several major rivers and are fertile plains. Like people used to grow more crops and do farming because many rivers are flowing through China and Bangladesh. So plain is very fertile. Okay, and Myanmar also has mountains, hills, and rivers and coastal region. Okay, and Sri Lanka is the island with rich vegetation and has many beaches as it is an island. So now we are going to see video and quiz from the other classes. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes,
I think something.
yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
India has 9 neighboring countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Drag and drop each of India's neighboring countries to complete the map.
Ma'am, can I say China? That big.
So I will ask one by one. Okay. First, ask Arlina. So this, where we can drag? This is the map of which country?
Ma'am, China.
China is India's neighbor in the north. We share good trade relations with China since the time of the ancient Silk Route. Beijing is the capital city of China.
Okay. So remember, Beijing is the capital of China. Okay. Next, Levito. This is which country map? It will be upside down. Okay, just you want to see the shape matching shape.
Pakistan.
Pakistan lies on the northwest of India. It shares its border with Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Rajasthan. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan.
So yeah, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Next, Fahim. Yeah, Fahim, this is which one? Which neighboring country of India you want to match from this? You want to track there. The smallest neighboring country of India. Which is this?
No, ma'am, smaller than that is our. Bhutan is much smaller than that. Bhutan.
It is one on the Bhutan.
Bhutan is surrounded by India on the east, west, and south.
Yes,
Its
correct.
capital city is Thimphu.
So this is the Bhutan. Yeah, capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu. Okay, next. Arlina, which country?
Bangladesh. No, Myanmar.
This one. Which country is here?
Nepal.
Yes.
Nepal.
Yes.
Nepal is India's neighbor in the northeast. The Himalayan mountain range extends into Nepal. The capital city is Kathmandu.
So capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Okay, next Levito. So this is which country? This is upside down. Okay, not where it can.
Ma'am, this is which that big one is.
Which one? Yeah. Start with the M.
Ma'am, only no, ma'am. Myanmar.
Yes, it will fix it here.
Myanmar was earlier known as Burma. Its capital city is Naypyidaw.
Naypyidaw. Okay, the capital name is Naypyidaw. Okay, next Fahim. Yeah, this is which country may you want to drag here? Fahim?
Afghanistan.
Very good.
Afghanistan is a mountainous country located on the northwest of India. Kabul is the capital city of Afghanistan.
So yeah, you can write in, you can also locate the capital now, right, in your worksheet. So next is, yes, this one, Arlina.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is surrounded on all sides by India, except for a small border with Myanmar. Its capital city is Dhaka.
Yeah, Dhaka is the capital. Next, Levito. Which country's map is this? Which one is look like this?
Ma'am, which country looks like this, sir?
Yes, which is in the southern of India.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan already we have made.
And it's also not in the south.
Yeah, it's in the south of India. Which country is this?
Small country. Sri Lanka, ma'am.
Yes, it's a Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka is an island nation located near the southern tip of India. Colombo is its capital city.
Okay, Colombo is the capital city of Sri Lanka. Okay, this is what Fahim. This is which country? This island. Name of this island?
It is Andaman and Nicobar.
Not Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar comes under India's country. This is neighboring country of India. Okay, Alina?
Maldives.
Yes, it is called. This is the country map of
Maldives is a country made up of 26 coral islands. Its capital city is Malé.
Yeah, Malay is
Good job! Now you know who India's 9 neighbors are.
So this is the Maldives also. Yeah, it's little near to India, so it also considered as India's neighboring country, and Afghanistan also. But mostly we have 7 neighboring countries. Okay. So we'll come for the quiz. Yeah, start from Arlina. State whether the following statement is true or false. Pakistan is the country which shares boundary with India in the northeast. It's in the northeast or west?
On this side is east or this side is east?
This side, right side is east.
No, false.
It's a force. It is in the west, northwest. Okay. Pakistan is in the northwest of India, northwest. Next, Levito. Which neighboring country of India is an island country?
Sri Lanka.
Very good. Okay, next Fahim. Which of this is not a neighboring country of India? Which is not a neighboring country of India? Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Singapore, Bangladesh. Fahim?
Singapore.
Yes, correct. Singapore is not Indian neighboring country. Next, Alina. Which are the 2 countries that share boundary with India to the east? You want to choose 2. It's in the east of India.
Bangladesh and Myanmar. Yeah.
Correct answer. Very good. Next, Levito. Name in India's neighboring country which is smallest in size. Bhutan, China. Correct answer. So Bhutan is smallest in size. Next, Fahim. Which of the following is not the capital of India's neighboring countries? Colombo, Beijing, Thimphu, Karachi, which is not belongs to the India's neighboring countries' capital.
Thimphu.
No, wrong answer.
Colombo. Colombo.
Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Which,
Karachi.
yes, correct answer is Karachi. Very good. Okay, but this Karachi is the earlier is the capital of Pakistan. Okay, but now they have moved the Pakistan capital into Islamabad. Okay.
So it won't come.
Yeah, so it won't come. Next, okay, Alina. Sumnima is the Nepalese girl. She has to go to Sri Lanka. Which of the following countries will she cross to reach her destination? So this is Nepal. So she want to go Sri Lanka. So which country she have to cross?
India.
Very good answer. Yeah, correct. Next, Levito. Fill in
Yeah.
the blanks. Das is the capital of Bhutan and Kathmandu is the capital of Das. You have to find which is the capital of.
Which is the capital of Bhutan?
You want to
And which is the capital? Ma'am, that last one, ma'am. D.
Kathmandu is the capital of Afghanistan.
Nepal. A.
Yes, correct one is A. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, Thimphu. Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan and Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Very good.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, last question, Fahim. Identify the two neighboring countries that have been marked on the map shown. So this one and this one, which country is shown here? Afghanistan and Bhutan, Afghanistan and Nepal, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. This is what? These two.
Afghanistan and Bhutan. No. Afghanistan and Nepal.
No, not Nepal also.
Afghanistan and Bangladesh.
Yes, this is Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Okay, see. This is the map of Bangladesh and this is Afghanistan. This is the Bangladesh, small one. Okay. So well done. Now we'll come for the game. Okay.
Okay.
The match the following. We have a game. So you want to match country with the capital city. Okay. First, Arlina, Bhutan. What is the capital of Bhutan? What is the capital of Bhutan? You can choose from here. Yes, it's Thimphu. Okay. Next, Levito, Nepal. What is the capital of Nepal? Yeah.
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Okay, it's the capital of Nepal. Fahim, China. Which is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Huh?
Beijing.
Yes, Beijing is the capital of China. Next, Arlina, say Pakistan capital.
Islamabad.
Correct. You always say that I'm from Islamabad. Next, Levito, Myanmar. Which is the capital of Myanmar? You can choose from these three.
Naypyidaw.
Naypyidaw. Okay. Next, Fahim, Sri Lanka. Which is the Sri Lanka capital? Dhaka or Colombo? From these two, you can choose.
Colombo.
Correct answer. Sri Lanka capital is Colombo. Bangladesh, Arlina?
Dhaka.
Correct. So, well done. Okay, now is the worksheet time. You can complete your worksheet.
I completed my worksheet.
You have completed your worksheet. Okay.
Ma'am, now I will complete, ma'am.
Yeah. Fahim, do you have volume 3 worksheet? You can do your worksheet.
Ma'am, I finished.
You finish. Very good.
Ma'am, Saturdays are
English.
social exams.
No, Saturday Tamil exam.
Yes, Saturday is I think social will be last. Okay,
No, last before, right?
last before.
Last become
Where's the timetable, ma'am?
in the Google Classroom.
Yes, timetable has shared in the Google Classroom.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you, ma'am.
So, okay, Alina, which are the neighboring countries of India?
China, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh.
Okay, currency of any three countries. Have you written?
Keda, Taka, and Sri Lanka rupees.
Oh, Kyat. Okay, Kyat is the currency of
Currency of Bangladesh.
Myanmar. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Yeah, and Taka is the currency of.
Bangladesh.
Okay, then Sri Lankan rupee is the Sri Lanka currency, right?
Yes.
So you have you marked the neighboring countries of India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. What are the neighboring countries of India you have marked?
Ma'am, the neighboring countries of India is Pakistan, and the capital city is Islamabad. China, Beijing. Nepal, Kathmandu. Bhutan, Thimphu. Myanmar,
Kyat.
Not Kyat, Nevido, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Sri Lanka, Colombo, and for
Maldives.
Maldives, a male.
Mali.
Mali, a
Yeah.
male. One more.
Afghanistan. Kabul.
Kabul.
Okay.
Kabul.
Yes. Now next physical features. How you have made this? Himalayas, deep valleys, many mountains, rivers.
Nepal.
It's a Nepal. Very good. Okay. Fertile lands formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers.
Bangladesh.
Very good. River Indus and the 5 rivers that flow into it.
Pakistan.
Very good. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Take care.